Hey Diamonds, it's Jamaica Stevens and welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. In today's video, I'm going to go over my mood board that I used for the relaunch of my business, JLS Diamond Boutique. If you haven't watched my first video on me explaining what a mood board is, the benefits of using a mood board, and the different ways that you can use a mood board in your business, I'll leave a card on the screen somewhere. Make sure you watch that video before you come over here because I'm going to be following the steps that I mentioned in my previous video. Before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. Turning your ideas into a successful online business can be hard, especially if you don't know where to start or where to continue in your business. But don't worry, I'll provide you with the proper tools to build a loyal clientele. This is how I planned out my mood board. The first thing that I asked myself was, so personally, my feelings were luxury, relaxation, freedom, and these are just words that came to me that I felt like would be perfect to promote my business. The main feeling I would say is happiness, calm and content, satisfaction. So this was all brainstorming, safe, aware, and also playful. So these were all of the feelings that I wanted to give to my customer. The second is picking a color scheme that matches. So my previous video, I showed a chart that showed different colors and all of the moods that come with those colors. So my colors were yellow, pink, black, white, and my accent color was blue. Now, out of these colors, there's specific things that I wanted to focus on. And then my accent color gives off trust, peace, and competence. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later.